You offer up your ego, is creating the causes for you to separate from attachment, to release yourself from ego, to create the causes. At the same time, when you offer up your ego, the Buddha can never be contaminated by a contaminated offering. Therefore, offering up the ego becomes something that will never contaminate the Buddha. Because people think, oh, we can't offer meat on the altar. But by tantric view, there is no clean and unclean. From the side of the Buddha, his perception of all objects is clean. Therefore, when we offer up the ego, we are not having it anymore. But right after we make the offering, the ego is still with us. But we're creating the causes for us not to have it, because we're offering up to Tara. Why? Object is Tara. Subject is ourselves. The offering is ego. So when we offer up the ego to Tara, we create the causes that in the future, when we do meditation practices, we're able to separate the ego. How do we? Only wishing the ego doesn't happen. We have to study about its nature. We have to offer it up, create the merits. And when we offer up, if we offer up gold to Tara, we'll get wealth. If we offer up ego to Tara, we will get egolessness. A state of egolessness. Whatever. Why? What we offer will be the result. You say, well, how come when you offer gold you get wealth? When you offer ego, you don't get a bigger ego? Because the object you're offering to doesn't give you back something double ugly. Offering to ego to Tara means offering up one's negative qualities. When one offers up one's negative qualities, what do we get back? Positive qualities. Is it possible to offer negative qualities to a Buddha? Of course, because no matter what you offer to them, although contaminated, can never contaminate them, or are free from contamination.